Hey guys, today's video is going to be a current beauty favorites video. So I've been doing a lot of videos on Poshmark lately, and I love talking about Poshmark, but I miss talking about beauty stuff. So we're gonna talk about beauty stuff in this video. I used to do monthly favorites videos, and I love doing those videos. I wanted to do a favorites video. We're like, what is today? March something? March 9th. Tomorrow is Emmeline's 5th birthday. My baby girl. We actually had her party yesterday, and it was so much fun. But yeah, tomorrow's her actual birthday. I can't believe she's 5 already. Like, I can't believe it. So yeah, so we're like, you know, in March, and we're just gonna do a current favorites video. It's not gonna be February, it's not gonna be March, it's just gonna be current. Everything that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below. Here we go. First thing I wanna talk about, this is a product I have been using for years, and I love it. I love it, I love it. I might buy a new one though, why did I just yell? Like, I don't know where I might buy a new one. I might purchase a new one because, like I said, I've had this one for years, and I don't know, I would feel good having 2 of these. So, it's a hair product. If you guys haven't noticed lately, I've been wearing my hair like this like waviness lately. This is actually pretty close to what my natural hair looks like now after I shower, and yeah, if I like let it air dry. Yeah, I've been wearing my hair like this, and I don't know, I like it. It's different. I usually wear my hair like stick straight, and I don't know, I've just been liking it. I've been using this guy. It's the Bedhead Wave Artist. Like I said, I've had this for years. I want to say like 10 years, like not even kidding. Back when I first started on YouTube, this was very popular. A lot of people bought this, and I still use it. I think that they have made a newer one. I know you still can purchase this exact one, but I think that they have made a newer one, like I said, and I think I want to purchase that. But I gotta make sure like the barrels, like the wave pattern is the same. But yeah, I freaking love this thing. It doesn't take long to do it all. And these last for like days, It's great. Link this down below. I know like 10 years ago, I want to say I paid like maybe 20 bucks, 25 bucks for this. I know it's still around that price. But yeah, I will link this one and like their updated one down below. This is another product that I've been loving for years. It's the Kenra alcohol-free shaping spray. It smells so good. I hate like the typical hairspray scent. I don't like it. And I don't like hairspray that leaves your hair like crunchy, like, ugh. No, I don't like that. This stuff holds your hair in place, but it doesn't leave your hair like crunchy. Your hair is still like super soft. My husband will not stop texting me. I'm about to throw my phone into the snow. Yes, we still have snow in our friggin' front yard. Our front yard is still covered in snow, like literally covered. And I'm not talking like just like a coating. There's like, well, we have a huge snow pile. Watch my vlog channel because I'm gonna vlog later today because it's actually like 60 degrees out today, but we still have a shit ton of snow. Just watch my vlog channel. You'll see. Yeah, love this stuff. I also do have the Kenra Super Hold finishing spray. This is more of like a crunchy hold. You know, if you're looking, like if you have like an updo that needs to like stay in place and you don't mind it being crunchy, you know, because you're not really gonna be touching your hair when it's like up, then this one is good. If you have your hair down and you want it to still be like soft but hold in place, then the shaping spray is amazing. I'm actually almost out of this. I need to purchase another one. I really do. So another hair product I have been loving. I randomly got this at Walmart, and I honestly only got it because it had unicorns on it. Emmeline is going through a unicorn phase. Her birthday party was actually unicorn themed, and she just loves everything unicorn. So I purchased this. It's a dry shampoo. It's from Collab. Yeah. Collab. It's the dry shampoo unicorn fragrance. Amazing oil absorption without white residue. I usually only wash my hair like twice a week, so I depend on dry shampoo, and this stuff is actually amazing. Honestly, I bought this for Emmeline, and now I'm like, it's mama's now. We can share this actually. It smells so good, and it is such a great dry shampoo, and like it says on the bottle, there's no white residue. I hate it when you get a dry shampoo and there's all kinds of like white residue, and it just, I don't like that. But yeah, I honestly, I bought this for Emmeline, and now I'm like, no, I really like this. Yes. This brand is sending out PR packages because I saw a couple people received this package. One of them was my girl Courtney from the Court Report. She received a bunch of their dry shampoos. They had like all kinds of other scents too. But yeah, she received a PR package from them. So Obviously this company's brand new. That's probably why they're sending out PR packages, which I think I should get one. I would like to get one. Collab, if you're watching, send me your other ones because I love this one and I really want to try the other ones, even though these aren't pricey at all. I want to say this was like maybe $5 at the most. But yeah, I was pleasantly surprised with this. Can you see the packaging? It's got cute little unicorns all over it. Last hair product, I swear. What's my hair doing? I needed a purple shampoo, and did I ask you guys on Twitter? I think I asked you guys on Twitter, this was like a while ago, what your favorite purple shampoo is, because I got some, I mean, I still do have some brassiness going on like underneath because I got like brown and my lighting's really washing out my hair right now. It's definitely blonder in person. Anyway, I've been using the Kristen S, the one purple shampoo, and I really enjoy this. Got this at Target. It's like 13, 14 bucks. I use this once a week. I leave it on my hair for like 5 minutes. I do not dilute it with shampoo. It says you should dilute it with your shampoo, but I don't. And it says to use a dime to a quarter size amount. Mama uses like a handful. But follow the directions on the bottle, because it's a reason there are directions on the bottle, because your hair might be different than mine. And if you leave it on too long, or if you use too much, you could end up with purple hair, literally, or like silver hair. So yeah, follow the directions on the bottle. Don't listen to what I do. But I've been loving this shampoo, and I'm actually almost out of it, so I need to repurchase some. I think after I make this video, I'm just gonna make an Amazon order and purchase some things, my hair thing, my purple shampoo. What else did I want to get? Maybe I'll get another one of these guys. Right. So this is new. I saw this at Walmart. This is the Dr. Teal's body lotion. This is the Pink Himalayan and Essential Oils body lotion. I use the Pink Himalayan and Essential Oils bath salts, and I love it. I love Dr. Teal's bath salts. I've used this kind, I've used the coconut kind, and I've used another kind too. This kind is definitely my favorite, although the coconut kind is so moisturizing. But yeah, I was super excited when they came out with a body lotion in this scent. It has a sweet orange scent. To me, it doesn't smell like straight oranges. It's definitely, yeah, okay, maybe it kind of does, but definitely like a sweet orange. It just smells amazing, and this lotion is so moisturizing, and I need all of the moisture right now. Still in winter time here. Like, the weather has been messing with my skin. It snowed the other night. It's literally 60 degrees out today, even though we still have tons of snow everywhere. I already told you guys that. Check out my vlog channel if you want to see how much snow we still have here. A lot of you guys are probably like, spring is great, it's here. No, it's not. It's not here yet. The weather is, Mother Nature just likes to play games. All right, 2 nail polishes that I've been loving. First is on my nails right now. It is Salon Perfect in the color Frolic With Me, and it is a really pretty like neon periwinkle color. It's so pretty. I actually have this on my toes right now too. I usually don't match my nails to my toes unless it's like summertime actually. But yeah, they're matching right now in case you care. And then this is an all-time favorite color. This is Mod About You by OPI. It is like the perfect pink color. This is like a light, I don't know, I always try to describe this as like a neon pink. It's like a light neon pink, which light and like neon is kind of an oxymoron, but just trust me, it's an amazing pink. I've purchased like 3 or 4 bottles of this, and for me to go through a bottle of nail polish is rare because I change my nail color often. All right, a lip product I've been loving. This is the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Tea Rose. I have it on my lips right now. I'm not really a fan of matte liquid lipsticks because I don't like how they feel on my lips, but this, I can't even tell it's on there. It's like super lightweight, it's not drying at all, and I just really like the color. It's just a really pretty like mauvey pinkish kind of sort of color, and it's e.l.f. It's super cheap. It's probably like $3. This mascara has been my favorite for about a month. It is the new Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I have a Mascara Monday episode on this. And yeah, I've been reaching for this mascara more than my Thrive Cosmetics mascara. You guys, if you guys watch my channel, you know that I still do love that mascara, but I've been using that mascara like religiously for, oh my gosh, like 2 years now? Is it 2 years? I'd have to look back at my Mascara Monday episodes. But I've been using it religiously like for a while. And I do switch out my mascaras, like I don't use that every single day, but I've been using this guy every single day. When did I do that Mascara Monday episode? I'll have to look, but yeah, since I did that Mascara Monday episode, I think I've only gone like a couple days without using this. This is such a great mascara, and it's Maybelline, so it's super affordable. I'll link that Mascara Monday episode down below. All right, this is the last thing I'm gonna mention. I'm so glad to have this back into my life. This is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. This is my current moisturizer. I tried this like, I don't even know when. I got it in like, it was a Sephora Play bag. I got like a couple samples of it and I used them up and I loved it. And I was hesitant to buy the full size, even though I loved it. I don't know why. Why did I wait so long? I don't know. Full size is 36 bucks and you get 50 milliliters, which isn't a ton, but you don't need a lot of product. This stuff is so great. It's a lightweight, like gel moisturizer. It is so, so amazing. It smells so good. It says it helps hydrate, smooth, and recharge. 100% love this stuff, and I'm so glad it's back in my life. And the last thing I want to mention, this was just a random ass purchase at Walgreens. This is the new e.l.f. Bite-Size Eyeshadow Quad, because there's 4. This is in the color Truffles. This was like $3. I don't know what made me purchase it. I was just like, hey, I'll try it out. And these colors are insanely pigmented and creamy. I have this color on my eyes right now, which you probably can't see because my lighting is very bright. But yeah, I want to get the others. I think there's like 3 or 4 other ones. I saw Kathleen Lights talk about this. I purchased mine, for the record. I had purchased mine before she talked about it, but I honestly hadn't used it yet. And then after I saw her talk about it, I'm like, oh yeah, I got one of those. I'm gonna try it out. And I'm like, holy shit, these are great. I think e.l.f. has come a long way. e.l.f. used to be like back in the day, like everything. I'm pretty sure everything used to be just $1, and then they like upped their products and like quality is so much better. Not that they're like expensive now, but you know, like this was like $3. So everything is still super affordable. They have a really great skincare line too. But yeah, e.l.f. has come a long way, and I want to get the other ones of these because these are actually really, really good. Okay, so that is it for my current beauty favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link things that I mentioned down below. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.